This one is super duper easy peasy. All you really need to do is... What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you know, is going to be a DIY Valentine's Day throw pillow. So here are two pillows that I just got from Dollar General. You can get your pillows from anywhere you want, Walmart, Target, but I got mine from Dollar General for $2. Here I'm just going to take the pillow out of the package and assess how the fluffiness of the pillow. Really doesn't matter because we are going to rip this thing to shreds. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get some scissors and you want to just cut right through the fabric of this pillow. Don't be afraid to get in there and cut that fabric because we are not going to be using it for anything else. We are just going to take the insides out. So make sure that you cut through evenly. You can cut through the stuffing inside if you want to. It's not necessary. I just did it here, but if you want to make your pillows even, then you can go ahead and cut the inside of the stuffing. Great, so now that we've got our stuffing all cut on the pillow and even for both sides, what we're going to do now is we're going to fluff one side of the stuffing. We're going to take one stuffing out of the pillow and we're going to fluff it out of there. You don't want it to be a little round ball, so you want to make sure that it's nice and fluffy to go inside of the pillowcases that we're going to use. So make sure that you fluff it out really good and that it's not flat. I got these pillowcases from Amazon. They were $20 for a 4-pack, and I believe they have like different holidays on there, so you can check out whichever holiday you really want to use. But $5 for a pillowcase, for each pillowcase, and they have these cute little designs. I chose the Valentine's Day design, of course, and so I'm just stuffing the stuffing into the pillowcase. Stuffing the stuffing, that's so funny, right? But I'm stuffing the stuffing in the pillowcase, and I'm just going to even it out across the entire pillowcase so that it looks nice and fluffy and not so flat and weird looking. So I'm just going to fluff it inside of the pillowcase so that it reaches each corner of the pillowcase so that it looks nice and neat like a regular pillow. And then I am going to zip it up, and boom, there is my pillow. No need to go and buy 4 accent pillows that cost $20 each, and you'll be out of pocket of like $100 just for, 4 Valentine's Day pillows, when all you really needed to do was spend $25. For the rest of the pillows, I'm just going to do the same thing, fluff out the stuffing and stuff them into the pillowcases. This was the easiest DIY that I've ever done, and it came out looking so very cute. These were the designs that I really wanted for my Valentine's Day pillows, and I really liked the bike one and the truck one. You guys know I'm obsessed with the bike and the truck, so I'm so happy and glad that I was able to find pillowcases that were decorated so cutely and beautifully. My favorite color is red, so these actually came out really cute, and I'm so happy with how they look on my couch with the rest of my decor. If you guys found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.